Hello, and welcome back. In this video, we get to know the functions, application examples, and limits of the personal AI assistant LUPA. Let's jump right in. You now see the start page of our engine ICE. On the left in the navigation bar, you will find the heading AI, and at the bottom, click on LUPA to open the personal AI assistant. You will now see general information about LUPA and a free text field for input. Here you have the opportunity to ask the AI questions about TISAX. We have already successfully trained LUPA with TISAX-specific information, such as the TISAX manual, and restricted it exclusively to certification topics. For demonstration purposes, I will now show you an application example. If I want to operate the TISAX Control 2, 1.3, should I rather set up a process or describe a procedure? Now I would like to delve deeper into the topic and narrow it down further. Show me an example of what a process description for 2, 1.3 might look like. You can now see the results, which give you a rough overview of a specific topic with just a few clicks, without having to switch to other sources such as websites, Excel lists, forums, or similar. Now we come to the second application example of LUPA in ICE. This time, the user wants to work on Control 5, 2.2, separation of test and production environments, and the query is as follows. How does the provider ensure that the IT systems have undergone a risk assessment to determine the extent to which their separation into development, test, and production systems is necessary? How is segmentation implemented based on the results of the risk analysis? Give concrete examples of implementation in practice. Let's go one step further here too, and I'll add the prompt to my input. Create a template for this. As you can see, the request is processed, and it ultimately depends on what task you set LUPA. One more tip. Formulate your requests as precisely and concretely as possible, and always provide a context for your request. Let me briefly summarize the essentials. Select LUPA. Enter your question or instruction in the free text field. Formulate your request as precisely as possible and try out several variants and formulations until you have achieved a satisfactory result. We have invested a lot of time in training LUPA. We would like to point out that this is machine-generated content, and you should always check it for accuracy. AI generates text according to the principle of probability, and only you, as a consultant, have the necessary competence to classify the output as correct or incorrect. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a customer data record in ICE. I'll see you again soon, and I look forward to seeing you.